Welcome back to Building Tactics and today's quick tip. So sometimes I find myself working alone and I need to cut an angle on a piece of material, OSB or plywood or whatever, and it's difficult to chalk a line when you have at an angle when you have no one to help hold the material. So if I'm going to chalk a line that's basically square, you can always just hook the tip end of your chalk line on the end of the board, stretch it real good and tight, and snap it and make your line. But sometimes you find yourself needing an angle, especially when you're doing a gable end or a roof and you need material cut at an angle. So sometimes when you go to chalk your material and you want to go at an angle and you pull the chalk line and you give it a tug to stretch the line, the end comes loose. So what I do when I need a piece cut like this and I have no one to help, I take and I get my measurement first, and then I take my skill saw, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small, about a 1/2 inch cut in the material, and just enough to get the string to go through the cut. And I take my saw and I point it in the general direction I know that the line is going to go, and I make a small cut in the plywood. So I've made a small cut and I can see all the way through the material about 1/4 inch. So now I'm going to take my chalk line and the tip end of the metal end of the chalk line, I'm going to put it underneath the plywood and bring the string up through the cut that I just made. So now I can pull this chalk line in any direction that I want, except for back in that direction of the cut. But I can come in at different angles, whatever angle I need to cut. I can now pull my chalk line good and tight and snap my line. So this helps when you're working by yourself and don't have someone to hold the tip end of your chalk line for you. You could also take and put a small nail there and pull the line. But I find this technique is a little bit quicker, a little bit easier. And that is today's quick tip. If you can, like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.